Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Figma prototype hotspots for realistic navigation UX, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Figma prototype hotspots for realistic navigation, start by opening your Figma. Select the frame or screen that you want to create a hotspot on. Go to the right-hand panel and locate the Prototype tab. Click on the Prototype tab to access the prototyping tools. Select the object or area where you want to create the hotspot. This can be a button, image, or any interactive element. In the right panel, find the Interaction section. Click on the plus icon to add a new interaction. Choose On Click from the Trigger drop-down menu. Now, select the destination frame that you want to navigate to. You can do this by dragging the arrow to the desired frame. Alternatively, you can select the frame from the list that appears. Next, decide on the animation type for the transition. Choose from options like Navigate to, Push, or Slide in. Adjust the animation settings according to your preference. You can set the duration and easing to enhance the experience. Once you've set the interactions, test them out in prototype mode. Click the Present button in the top right corner to enter prototype view. Interact with the hotspots to ensure they lead to the correct screens. If you need to refine your hotspots, go back to the design mode. Make any necessary adjustments to improve usability. Repeat this process for each screen you want to navigate to. Ensure that all hotspots provide clear feedback, like visual highlights. Consider adding overlays or modals for more complex interactions. Once you are satisfied with the navigation flow, save your changes. Review the complete prototype to ensure a cohesive user experience. Share the prototype with teammates for feedback and further iterations. With these steps, you'll create an engaging and realistic navigation experience in your Figma prototypes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.